Welcome to our comprehensive lesson on vectors and scalars in physics. These are fundamental concepts that help us describe physical quantities in the universe. Let's start with the definitions. A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction, while a scalar is a quantity that has only magnitude. Let's look at some examples of vectors. Force is a vector because it has both strength and direction. Velocity tells us both speed and direction of motion, and displacement shows us how far and in what direction something has moved. Now let's look at some scalar quantities. Mass is just an amount measured in kilograms. Time is measured in seconds with no direction needed. And temperature simply tells us how hot or cold something is. Let's learn how to add vectors using the head-to-tail method. First, we draw vector A. Then, we place vector B's tail at vector A's head. The resultant vector R is drawn from the tail of A to the head of B. We can also add vectors using components. Each vector can be broken down into its x and y components. Then we add the x components together and the y components together. Finally, we use the Pythagorean theorem to find the magnitude of the resultant. Understanding vectors and scalars is crucial in physics. They help us describe and analyze physical quantities and their interactions in the universe.